From generic to branded, I'll show you how to convert to a brand name in today's video. Now you can see this listing, the brand name is just generic. That's technically not a brand name, it's just regular. Now what you want to do is convert to a branded. So you can see a branded listing. And if you do have a brand, right, then you get access to a store. You can remove hijackers. You can kick people off of Amazon. You also get A+ content. All of your listings look better and your sales are more likely to increase once you implement all of these. Now, in order to do this, we do have a step-by-step checklist. Now, the first thing you need is you need a trademark. So you do need a trademark. If you need to get a trademark, you can get it from the USPTO.gov in the USA, and then you can click apply online. Once you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to brand registry, brandregistry.amazon.com, and you're simply going to click enroll a brand, and you're going to enroll your brand. You can usually do this 7 days after applying for a trademark. Once you get the trademark, they'll give you a serial number. You put that in, you just apply that to Amazon, and boom, even before your trademark is officially approved, you can get it brand registered. Once you're done that, it's going to be step number 2 is if you have a website. You are going to most likely need a website. And then what you're going to do is on that website, for example, let's say this is our item, you're going to add your UPC code right here. So add your UPC code, right? And then just make sure your brand name is on here, right? So it says literally Hickaway, that's their brand name. Make sure it shows that on the website. It has the UPC code. So that way we can send it to Amazon and they're like, oh, everything adds up. That makes sense. Your brand name is literally supposed to be Hickaway. We make it as easy as possible for Amazon. Number 3 is you do need a trademark certificate. So you have to wait for your trademark to be officially approved. Once it's officially approved, you can go back to the USPTO, search our trademark database, and then you can type in your name, click on this, go to documents, and then they should give you a registration certificate that looks something like this, just to show Amazon it is a real trademark and it is approved by the US government, and that's going to help you as well. Those are the top 3 things. You may be able to convert from generic to a branded listing just with these 3, but Amazon might ask for more. So they might ask for real world images, right? So you have to do images that literally show the brand name on the packaging. Must be permanent. They might ask for an invoice with the brand name on it. If you own the brand name, your manufacturer could attempt to give it to you, or you could potentially make one for yourself since you own the brand. And a letter from the manufacturer saying that you own the brand name. Again, your manufacturer, or you could potentially make this. You just have to do it right if you do own the brand, right? But you may need these extra things to help get that brand name approved and changed. It usually does take around 10 to 90 days to change your brand name. That's just how Amazon is. Now, after you have all of these documents, of course, the next step is to actually contact Amazon. So you're just going to go to help and get help and resources and contact Amazon and say, hi, I would like to change the brand name from generic to this. The brand name is not supposed to be generic. Amazon's going to tell you that you need to create a whole new ASIN, what you don't need to do. You just pretty much have to dispute it, send Amazon all the documents, and once you get a rep that's actually willing to help you, they will be able to change your brand name. Again, it might be easy, it might be hard. If it's easy, they're just going to ask for 1 through 3. If it's difficult, they may ask for extra documents mentioned below. So just get it, take it one step at a time. We're here to help if you need it. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. And if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, changing your brand name, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to be managing your inventory, changing your brand name whenever you need it, customer service, running your ads, dealing with Amazon support, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.